Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at the differences between Python string methods find and index. In Python, the find and index method returns the lowest index in a specified string where the specified substring sub is found, such as sub is contained within the specified string. And both methods have two optional arguments, start and end, which are interpreted as a slice notation. And the syntax for both methods are string_object.find and then .index, and both have the same parameters, sub, start, and end. So I've created videos on both methods individually. So I will suggest watching that first if you haven't already. So for both methods, they have a required parameter sub, which is the substring to be searched for, and two optional parameters, start and end index. The string that we'll work with here is the goal is to turn data into information and information into insight for the variable data_quote, and return this here as output. The only difference between both methods is the way errors are handled. So for the find method, we can start with searching for the word information, and we'll create a variable search_info, which equals to data_quote.find lowercase word for information, and we'll then print starting index for the first occurrence of the word information in the string is search_info, and we can see here that this returns 30, right? So return 30 based on the first occurrence of the string, counting from the very beginning. And if we try to search here for a word which is not in the string, so we can search for the word JavaScript, we print data_quote.find JavaScript. This just returns a -1, right? So for the find method, if the substring is not found, it will return -1. Substring is not found. And now for the index method, we can also search for the word information with index, and we'll create a variable here, search_info_index, which equals to data_quote.index information, and then print starting index for the first occurrence of the word information in the string is, and then the variable search_info_index, and this returns 30 as well. So also counting from the very beginning of the string for the first occurrence. And if we now try to search for the word JavaScript using index, so data_quote.index, we can see here that for the error handling, it's slightly different in that for the index method, this actually raises a value error, right, rather than a -1 for the find method. So for the index method, it will raise a value error if the specified substring is not found. So this is the difference between the two methods, find and index in Python for strings.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.